Today we're going to make golden fried rice, a type of chow fan coated with egg yolks for a distinct yellow color. This recipe turns your day-old rice into a quick and easy meal that's packed with flavor and crunch. I grilled salmon to add to the fried rice, but you can also use other types of fish such as tilapia or bangus, as well as other proteins like shrimp or chicken. While the fish is cooking, combine the cold cooked rice with the egg yolks until completely coated and evenly colored. I usually use 1 yolk for each cup of rice. Remove the salmon from the griddle so it doesn't overcook and keep warm. Add a little bit of oil to the hot griddle and saute onions until translucent. Add chopped cabbage and cook until tender crisp. You can also use other vegetables to add some crunch like carrots, broccoli, green beans, or asparagus. Add the rice and stir and spread on the griddle to lightly toast. Season with salt and pepper to taste. As well as Maggi chicken cube to enhance the meaty flavor. And sesame oil for a nutty aroma. Remove the skin from the salmon and return to the griddle. Flake into small pieces and toss them in the fried rice until evenly distributed. We don't want to waste the egg whites, so scramble them and mix them into the rice or save them for another recipe. Continue to toss the golden fried rice for a few more seconds until nice and hot. This is a complete meal that's hearty and tasty. Enjoy!